My name is Amulen Mercy, Komolomanga Parish, Kameke Sub-County, Agule County, Pallisa District. Before I joined the Gudie Leisure Farm, I was being a hairdresser. I got to know about Gudie Leisure Farm through the leaders. They got me from where I was been working from. Then they told me, we have some visitors. They need the people who finished the S4. Then I also went to the sub-county where I got them from. I'm in poultry department, and since I came here, I've learned very many things. I've learned how to construct a brooder. I've learned how to vaccinate birds from the poultry. Then I've learned also many types of feeds that have been fed to the birds. I've also learned very many ways of communicating to other people. Now when the birds are 1 day old, you'll start giving them glucose and broiler starter. Then you'll be giving them glucose mixed with water. Then after 1 week, you have to vaccinate. Then after vaccinating, when they take 5 days, you give them plain water before you vaccinate them. After giving plain water, once they make 7 days, you vaccinate. Again, you leave for them to finish a week. Again, you vaccinate like that. But you have to be giving food and water regularly. I've learned the processes when you are keeping them. I've learned what to do, the steps to follow up. Apart from poultry, I've also learned how to make local pads, then also how to make necklaces, bangles, and other decorations. Concerning business, it needs you to be producing quality products such that you sell and get good money. And also it needs when you have a customer language, whereby you talk in a good manner to your customer, such that next day that customer comes back again to you. When I go back home, I commit to train other women and the other youths on how to keep birds in a farm. I also commit to open up a project of more than 100 chicks in order to achieve good profit. I commit also to remain connected to Gudie Leisure Farm, such that I will also inform the new things happening in Gudie Farm concerning poultry. I thank people from Gudie Leisure Farm for bringing me to Gudie Leisure Farm, because I've learned a lot from Gudie Leisure Farm. Most especially our managing director, Dr. Gudie.